on the 4th December 2020 in the morning at about 8 am, information B launched a first information report with the police station, City Kotwali, Rewa, to effect that he was reside in the village Kothari within Thana, City Kotwali, Rewa. On 30 November 2020 in the evening at about 7 p.m. while he was resting in his drawing room just about he after office, suddenly accused A1 and A2 because of his open drainage towards their plot started to abuse B. When B went out to see what is happening outside, accused A1 and A2 chased B with lathi inside the house and assaulted B, because of which B sustained bleeding injuries over head and right arm. When W, wife of B, tries to save B, accused A1 and A2 also gave lathi blows to B, W, who sustained bleeding injury over left arms and right leg. When other family members of B and neighbors came out and shouted to save B and W, both the accused person intimated B that threatening of causing death and fell away from the place of incident. B immediately went to Chittia Hospital, Rewa, along with W, and after discharge from the hospital on 4 December 2020 with plaster in his right arms and bandage over the head, along with W, went the City Kotwali, Rewa, and lodged the report, whereby police registered a case under criminal number 946. Witnesses were examined, accomplished with the informant and victim. Site plans was prepared and obtained MLC reports from the hospital, Rewa. It was found that W sustained simple injuries and B sustained grievous injuries caused by the hurt and blunt object. Accused A1 and A2 were arrested. Lathis were also seized from them, and after completion of evidence investigation, charges against A1 and A2 was filed. Now I want to present the evidence of the prosecutions. Prosecution were examined as many 5 witnesses. The examination in chief the PW1 stated that on the date and the time of the incident, the accused A1 and A2 entered into the house and assaulted him over right arm and right side of the head with lathi. When his wife PW2 tried to save him, both the accused person also gave lathi blow to W. When his family members and the neighbor came out and shouted over to accused A1 and A2, they fell away from the spot map prepared before him in Exhibit P2. He remains admitted in hospital for 3 days because of his right arm was fractured. In the cross-examination, PW1 has denied that the suggestion of the defense that he was sustained injuries from fall of the motorcycle, and also another injuries witnesses PW2 who also supported the prosecution versions to extend the PW1 prosecution's case. Prosecution witness are the PW3, who is a real brother of the B and supported the prosecution's version and to extend the P1 prosecution's case. Dr. D, PW4, also corroborated the versions of B and W by proving their MLC report, Exhibit P3 and P4. X-ray report of the B was also being proved by the doctor. And the injuries of the W were on the right arm and the right leg. The examination officer T, PW5, has supported all the prosecutions done by him in the course of examinations. Now I would like to argue the prosecutions. Prosecutions has established the full case and there is no ground in existence to disbelieve the testimony of the witnesses. Both the accused persons are liable to be convicted for their acts. The charges are imposed for the prosecution's section 251 assaulted, which was punished under section 352 punishment for assault and criminal force otherwise than a grave provocation. Section 504, intentionally insult with intended to provoke to breach of the peace. Section 321, voluntary causing hurt, and which was punished under Section 323. Section 322, voluntary causing grievous hurt, which was also punished by 325, which was done to the B. Section 503, criminal intimidation, punishment 506, and Section 442, house trespass, and the punishable under Section 448. I also refer the case. Injuries are proved by the experts under Section 45 of the Evidence Act, Ramesh Chandra Agrawal versus Regency Hospital Limited and others. The court held that some requirements of the opinion of the expert. Also, the court stated that the opinion of the expert is the knowledge and also any layman. Thank you.
Further proceed. According to the written statement, both the accused person, advance, defense, the complainant has raised angry because they are prohibiting complainant from the drainage water in their open plot. Complainant and his wife fell down from motorcycle and lodged a false complainant to take advantage of the situation. Some evidence for the defense. Accused person has denied all the inculpatory circumstances put to them in examination under Section 313 CRPC. Accused person examined has a neighbor and who depends that the plot of A is beside the house of B, and all the water from his drainage is collecting in the plot, making it a marshland. A1 and A2, who are father and son, A1 and A2 requested B many times to make arrangement for the drainage of water into the plot, that B, who is a well-to-do person. Municipal officers has lodged a false report against A1 and A2. B has recently purchased a new motorcycle. He is unable to drive the motorcycle and fallen from the motorcycle and sustained various injuries. Arguments of defense. There is variation in medical and ocular evidence. No independent witness has been examined by prosecution, and there is consideration unexplained delayed in lodging FIR of 4 days. The story of prosecutor is false. Prosecution is false because 13 November 2022 was a public holiday of Kartik Purnima and Guru Nanak Jayanti. Hence to be questioned from the office by complainant. The standard of their defense is of preponderance of probability, so they are entitled to be exonerated from the changes with which they are subjected to trial. Some case references are State versus Sri Haldar Das. In the light of aforesaid discussions and reason, it is seen that the prosecution side failed